Hi, I'm Hatem. If you'd like to flavor your kombucha, you're ready for phase 2. It's very important to make sure that you take out at least 1 cup of the kombucha for your starter fluid, and then take good care of your SCOBY by setting it aside in a container with that starter fluid, or by placing it into a SCOBY hotel. Once you've got your SCOBY removed and your starter fluid set aside, now you're ready to flavor your kombucha. This is called phase 2. And the nice part about flavoring kombucha is you can also make it fizzy. So you can actually use the jug itself and make sure that you've got the top to seal the air. What you have to do is add a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of fruit tea per every cup that's in here. So you can do the math and do that. The sugar is important to get the fizziness in the drink itself. If you don't want it too fizzy, don't make it too sweet. But the sugar itself also has fructose and will add a lot of flavor to the drink itself. You can also use our handy brew and serve bottles. These things are really easy to use with a very wide mouth. When you are pouring this out, the fruit won't stick inside. It's easy to reach. Plus, they are airtight, and once you lock it up, do remember always to burp your bottle. Burping your bottle means every day, every other day. You simply pop it open, let some of the air out, and then close it again. It's very easy for pressure to build up, and you don't ever want to open this after a week, say, and your entire drink just comes right out, explodes right out. In stage 2, while you're flavoring your kombucha, it's important that you still have it in a dark spot at room temperature, and you can start tasting it at about 2 or 3 days. When the flavor is just right and you've got the right fizziness, all you have to do is put it in the fridge. What you can also do is to stop the steeping of the fruit tea is simply pour it into another bottle using the stainless steel funnel and filter. Kombucha is an amazing drink. It's full of probiotics and it's got antioxidants from the tea. It makes a great replacement for pop, and doing it yourself, it's a whole lot better than buying it at the store.